got this in the mail. It's a package from Redbeard, and I'm about to open it up. Oh man. Nice. This is the Musket Shot XXL by Redbeard's Firework Showcase. Go here if you want any of these like these are racks right here. He sells these. This is the limited edition one, the Cody B. And you take these off and you could put like little cakes in there so they won't tip over. And then this, you add this to like put your mortars, and it's a 6-shot rack. But this is the XXL one. A little bigger version than that, and this turns into an 18-shot rack. So you have these two, and you put them like that, and then it turns into 18. And you could put big old cakes in here too. Alright, so this is the Musket Shot XXL by Redbeard's Fireworks. Scan that, and it'll take you to the website, redbeardsfireworksshowcase.com. This fireworks cake / fountain and mortar rack. It fits 18 HDPE tubes, 1.91 inch tubes, and those are sold separately. I don't know if he sells them on his website, but you could get those at pyroboom.com. Let's open it up. And then the Musket Shot XL Firework Cake Rack shows you how to use them. And then more stickers. Damn, Redbeard, you gave me a lot of stickers. Who wants Redbeard stickers? I'll do a giveaway. So this is how it looks. The handles are nice. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. Right here we got 18 HDPE tubes. And then just set one of these. And let's grab the tubes. Like that. And I think you're supposed to grab one of these. Pull it out. Then I'm guessing you put it through here. And then this one right here. You could put it right here on the bottom. Wrong one. Right there. So it doesn't move. Then you grab the other ones. Or I'm not sure if you add those little poles. You put the other one like that. you got it. 18-shot rack. So that's the 18-shot rack. Also, take some of these away. Like that. Put this right here. And put this one right there. Doesn't move. I'm guessing you put both. That's how not place them. And then grab your cake. Put it in there. Grab your little securing thing. Secure it. So it doesn't move. And put it in, yeah. Put it right there. So it doesn't move. You can grab like a fountain too. Oh, I can't wait to like this one. Wailing Witch. Performance, a vibrant combination of colors and noise. Emerald green, crackling and whistle. That's gonna be really fun. So I fixed it up. I ended up putting one there, not moving. This one's not moving, and this one's not moving. Then you got 6 shells. Light. Watch the show, man. That looks pretty sick right there. That's badass. Clickbait.